Ford's done it again.
Ford's done it again.
Ford's done it again.
Yes, again, Ford tops the industry with the 1953 Ford, the new standard of the American road. With 41 worth more features, the 53 Ford is worth more when you buy it, worth more when you sell it. It's the only car in the low-price field with a V8 engine. It also offers the most modern 6 in the industry. It gives you a choice of 3 transmissions, conventional or overdrive or Ford-O-Matic, optional at extra cost, and a new, smoother, quieter ride because of its wider front tread, new shock absorbers, and new springs. It brings you advanced body features, such as hull-tight construction, extra sound and weatherproofing, foam rubber over non-sag springs for both front and rear seats, power pivot pedals suspended from above, and more inside space and more luggage space than many cars of higher price. Styling features such as long, low lines, a huge curved one-piece windshield and car-wide rear window, now available with iRest tinted glass, optional at extra cost, and 11 different body styles, each with a wide variety of single-tone and two-tone color combinations. Value check the 53 Ford. Test drive it. Satisfy yourself that you can pay more, but you can't buy better.
Have I got something to show you, my friend? This is merely terrific. The last word in four-wheel excitement. And it's the first in the neighborhood. The new 1953 Ford Victoria. Now wait right there. I'll drive it out so you can really see it. How do you like that longer, lower, wider look? Just take a look inside while you're at it. Notice the big one-piece windshield. It's tinted glass. The rear window's the same. Costs a little extra, but it's worth it driving against the sun or somebody's headlights. Let me show you something else. These suspended power pivot pedals. They sure are easy to operate. And as you can see, they do away with drafty holes in the floor. And here's some of the sweetest music you ever heard. That's high compression power, my friend. Here's another sound you'll like. A good solid sound. Wish you could see what's under that good-looking body. It's put together like a steel bridge. With its lower frame and widespread front wheels, it goes around corners like a cat. And another thing. But gosh, I've been talking your arm off, and I haven't even started to tell you why you'll be happier with a Ford. Better see your Ford dealer and get the full story.
It takes a mighty big car to handle a family like this in comfort, and a mighty fine car to please them all. And what a car they've got. A new 1953 Ford. Hold it, folks. Let's find out just which of Ford's 41 worth more features each one of you favors. Dad likes the smooth go and the economy he gets from Ford's mighty V8 engine, the only V8 in the low-price field. Mother likes Ford's easy handling and steering that takes the work out of those downtown shopping trips and makes parking a breeze. Bob here is just as proud as he can be of Ford's longer, lower, wider look. Judy likes the view through Ford's big curved one-piece windshield. And Sonny just likes to bounce on those comfortable foam rubber cushion seats. Baby, well, bumps won't disturb her sleep because Ford's new ride is smoother, quieter. Okay, folks, climb in. It's a car for the whole family, the new 1953 Ford. Why not test drive it at your Ford dealers?
This is what you'll see first when you see the new 1953 Ford. A new lower, longer, wider look. The trend-maker look. This is really what you should see if you're considering buying a new car. Here's where you can value check Ford's built-in quality features. Features that make it worth more when you buy it, worth more when you sell it. The sofa-wide seats are foam rubber cushioned like the finest custom furniture. And the driver's seat has full automatic posture control. There's extra sound and weather insulation throughout this quality-built, hull-tight body. Here's where Ford's new ride begins. Right here with this heavy-duty K-frame chassis, with new springing, and with Ford's wider front tread. It all adds up to automatic ride control and easier handling. And when you sit behind this big, one-piece windshield, here's what you'll see. A commanding view of the road. When you see this car, you'll be seeing the only car in its field with a choice of high compression 6 or V8 power. When you test drive it, you will easily see that you'll be happier with a Ford. See the '53 Ford at your dealers tomorrow.